and today we're going to be making egg muffins. This is a really simple recipe to make, and especially if you're going to school in the morning, this is the best recipe to make. It literally takes seconds, and you can customize this with your favorite vegetables to suit your taste. So let's get started. The ingredients that we'll need for making these egg muffins will be 2 egg whites, 3 whole eggs, some spring onions, red capsicums and yellow capsicums. These 2 colors are just optional. You can either go with any one color, and you can customize this with your favorite vegetables, either cucumbers, carrots or any other vegetables that you like. And the quantity of these vegetables is also up to you. And you will also need a few more ingredients. Some olive oil, around 1 tablespoon, 1.5 tablespoons of corn flour, salt as per your taste preference, and 1.5 tablespoons of milk. Then into a large mixing bowl, pour in the egg whites and start beating them. You don't want them to have stiff peaks. You just want them to get beaten. Should be in a nice white color with a lot of bubbles, and it should be in a runny consistency. Once that's done, add in the whole eggs and again start beating it. And should be in the same consistency again. Then add in the milk, salt and the corn flour. Again beat that. Now let's set the mixer aside. You don't need the mixer anymore. Then pour in the olive oil and add in your vegetables. Once that's done, slowly fold in your vegetables with a spatula and set that aside. Now I have a cupcake tray over here, and I have greased each cavity with a nice amount of oil. And if you're using silicone molds, just avoid this step because silicone molds are really easy to handle with and that just pops out very easily. So let's pour the mixture in, and you can see that some of the cavities are empty because this muffin mixture makes exactly 8 muffins and I had a 12 one. And make sure you leave around half an inch for each muffin, or else when they rise it will just overflow. Now let's pop them in a preheated oven of 320 Fahrenheit for around 15 to 20 minutes, and the timing might differ according to your oven. Now my muffins are out of the oven. Let me just take one and show you. So that's so soft, that looks so good, and they're so delicious to eat. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you liked it, and if you did, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up down below. Also subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet, and tap that bell icon so that you know when I've come up with a new recipe. Thanks once again, and bye bye.